Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to forward an entire email thread in Outlook. Now the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and find the email that has the thread. So for example this one right here. And then you just right click on that email, right? Go ahead and use these options and hover over find related. Then I want you to click on messages in this conversation and you'll see all the emails that you have for this conversation. Okay. Then what I want you to do is actually just go ahead and, right click on each and just hold control and click on them. You can also hold control plus A to select all of them and then right click. You'll see the forward option once you right click, and here you can see both of them are in one email and you can forward it to any one you want, then send it over. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.